We'll be utilizing the car in what we call mud ruts. This is where it controls the differential, transferring the torque from wheel to wheel electronically. Okay, so yeah, James goes first. Have you been in the Velar before?
No, this is the first time. It's actually very nice.
It is very nice.
Yeah.
So it was launched last year, so it's our newest Range Rover in the lineup. It's got what we call the Touch Pro Duo screen, 12-inch here, 10-inch, 10-inch, and also a heads-up display.
There's no physical buttons at all. Except for the windows.
We got physical rotary.
Oh, only this dial.
It's got the Ingenium 2-litre petrol engine, petrol twin turbo. It's got 250 horsepower. You can see the badge on the rear, it shows P250.
Has anyone hit the front or the back while going up the section yet?
No, not when we're telling you to instruct. We're instructing you. Maybe if we let you go on your own. Which car in particular?
I'm driving a Land Cruiser, the Toyota Land Cruiser.
Oh, okay.
2008.
Diesel? Petrol?
Diesel.
So you go off-road with your car?
I go off-road in the city.
Alright. Concrete jungle. Okay, so I'm just keeping it steady on the gas. You can see the center diff is locked.
Yep.
It's just transferring the power.
Okay.
Wheel to wheel. Just rolling forward. Down the ramp. Flag ground. Turn the wheel to avoid the pole. And roll up to the ramp. See the black lines there?
Yeah.
We don't want to go beyond that.
Alright.
So the front right wheel is just at the ramp. It's telling me to roll forward. Up, 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 up. So I think two wheels are in the air right now.
Yep.
So it's transferring the wheel that has grip. There you go. You feel a bit of a judder there when the diff is at work. So we should have two wheels on the ramp and two wheels on the ground right now. And then we go down the slope. So the vehicle gradient was like probably 25-30 degrees. The ramp itself is 40.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Like I said, we are mimicking you driving in the jungle, so it's very, some areas are quite tight. To the waiting pool ramp. Forward. Okay, it's important to get into the wading pool slowly. Okay, I mean you don't want to make a splash. And also both hands on the wheel, and do not stop in the water. Just go in and continue.
So when it starts flooding inside, then you know we should do something.
We're not gonna be flooding inside because we're not stopping. But so far, I mean, we don't have any water ingress into the cabin. So now we're just letting the water drip back into the pool before we continue. Okay, so now go forward. Oops. Next we'll be going down the steps. Okay, get two wheels on the, two hands on the steering wheel. Going down the steps. At this moment, the hill descent control is taking over.
And you're not doing anything.
I'm not doing it, I'm just holding the steering wheel. There you go.
But that was you braking, right, just now?
No.
No.
Yeah, the last bit, I was just letting go of the brakes.
Oh, okay.
The one where we stopped and where you're talking to me, yes, that one I brake.
Ah.
Okay, so who wants to go first? it. Down.
Oh, this is interesting.
That way.
It's quite tricky for you all to have to do this in such a small place.
That's the whole idea. To show a big car like the Velar can do this, because if you say you go in the jungle, it's quite tight and narrow. Slowly, before you guide to the left. Right now. Roll up. Staying straight. Yes. Keep going forward. Right, slightly to the right, your wheel. Okay, to the right, continue forward. Now straight, slowly into the water. Keep your steering straight. You're still turning it. Continue forward. And stop. Let the water drip out.
What's these two bars here?
Which one?
This white and
Speed for the hill descent. And stop. Slowly down. Slowly. Brake. Yes. Okay. Roll down. Okay, now let go of the brakes.
Okay. It's not moving.
Yeah. It's a hill descent taking over.
Okay.
Ooh.
Can I go?
Yeah. Indeed.
Yeah. Okay.
Big brother is Range Rover,
Yeah.
and smaller ones, there's a Range Rover there.
That's the biggest one.
Yeah, there's a
that
Range
you're-
Rover. And after that comes the Range Rover Sport. And
Mhm.
the Velar is introduced to be in between the Range Rover Sport and the smallest Range Rover, which is the Evo.
Does it feel as agile as well, that one? Compared to all
We've taken those off-road as well.
Mhm.
I think last year we spent 3 weeks off-road in Laos
Mhm.
with the Range Rover.
Wow.
They're all capable to do certain things. Like Range Rover, because it's got air suspension,
Mhm.
it can wade in even deeper pools. I believe up to 800 mm of water. Okay, turn the wheel to the right. Straighten the wheel. Go forward. Continue rolling forward.
Ooh. Oops.
Too fast. Slow down.
This was what I was talking about when I was asking you just now.
Okay, when we're rolling forward, don't tell him to turn when we're still on the ramp. Wait until all 4 tires on the ground, then he turn. You always ask us to turn when he's still like that. Okay? Yeah, on the ground, then only turn. Okay? Straighten the wheel and go up.
Go up.
Turn up in the
Do I
back.
turn now? Oops. It's locked.
Stop in the lead. Yeah, turn the wheel. Yes.
Is it slow?
Stop. Forward. And turn. Yeah, straighten the wheel.
Okay. He's asking me to turn. Yeah. Okay, now.
Down.
Alright.
Now full turn. To the right.
Can I? Oh, but we're really close to the cone though. I'm a bit sengit, right? He's asking me to go straight.
Okay, I'm guiding you now.
Okay.
Just move forward, move forward, move forward, move forward. Oh, look, he's got better sight. Now straighten the wheel,
Okay,
stop.
straighten. Let's go. Stop.
Okay, now roll slowly into the water. Slightly left. Continue, continue, continue. Okay, now straighten. Out the water, out. Okay.
Are these cars equipped with off-road tires or normal
These are
tires?
road tires.
Hey, they asked me to stop.
Not yet, not yet. Now stop. Because we're on this tarmac and also a mix of metal, right? So these tires are fine, but if we actually do go off-road and probably muddy terrain,
Alright.
then probably we need more serious tires. Because then the mud packs in between the treads, then we
Yeah.
got no traction.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now straight wheel. Now straight.
I let go of the brake now.
Not yet, not yet. Okay, let go of the brakes now.
Okay. Ooh, it slows down.
Okay, stop. Alright, thank you.
Alright, thank you.